Penny's gonna open up her stocking.
Chicken flavored toothpaste.
Oh, yum, Penny.
Just what you always wanted.
Chicken flavored toothpaste.
What's this?
Oh, Penny, what is that?
Oh.
What is that? What is that?
Tough peanut butter balls.
Tough peanut butter balls, Penny.
They're supposed to give out a whiff of peanut butter to make her breath smell better, I guess. I don't know.
Penny.
He likes her balls.
What do you have?
What are those?
I think you need to take them out of the wrapping first, Penny.
Let's see if she can unwrap them. Which one do you want first? She's like, take them out. I might need scissors for these.
Here.